This is part 6 of the SFM tutorial. So in this episode I'm gonna be covering custom posing. So I just made a new whatever because I didn't want to ruin the heavy picture, so I'm just gonna load a map, high tower. So first step is, when doing custom posing, you have to decide what you're going to what class you're gonna be like using, and the pose that your model's gonna be using as well, and also think about what emotion he will be in as well, because that will enhance the pose as well. So in my one, in the pose that I'm thinking of doing is being over here and looking up as the soldier is like going crazy nuts with the market gardener. So I'm just gonna do it something like this and set this to camera 1. I mean, to make cameras, you see this little arrow over here next to work camera, click on that and change scene camera and click on new camera. This will create camera 1. So I'm just gonna go to work camera, and now I'm gonna make the soldier. So what you do is, as usual, you type, when you click on the big plus sign and create animation set for new model, so, and then type player, that thingy majiggy, the slash, and just find the soldier. Okay, so now what you do is go to the motion blur and the motion editor, not motion blur, what we're talking about, and then just drag it up like that. So I'm gonna make the soldier go airborne after he's crazy nuts with the market gardener. So let's see, something like, you know what, I'll set the camera later, so we'll just do this. So what you do is, okay, so I'll keep the helmet on after all. It's nothing really. So what you do is, what I would tend to do is that if I'm stuck on anything on custom posing, I would like pose it out myself, and then I'll look at how my bodies are like. So so for example, I'll also be covering another type of posing. So I'll show you some examples that I've made. So this one I made for a friend, and this is all 100% me. So it took me a while to make this. After all, like, it was kind of hard to pose it. It was actually kind of hard to like make the pose and like try and find out what I was doing. So yeah, so then I started posing it out myself, and then it totally helped me a lot. So this is the one that I made for my friend. The next one is made by another guy called Inferno Sean, and what happened, and what I did was, I took a pose when the soldier uses the coffee sort of taunt. I put that sequence onto the demo man, so then it made that sort of pose. So yeah, I'll be covering that kind of posing too. So so first let's just do the custom posing. So what we do is we click on this rotating thing and click on the blue line like this. Okay, now what you do, okay, this is the complicated part, because now to move the bones of the soldier, what you do is click on the yellow, click on this tool and hold control. Now you'll see all the soldier's bones, and just click on one, like, where should I start? I'll start with the legs first. So what you do now is, once making poses like this, you can control the legs of that. But number one tip is that never click on the yellow circle if you're doing custom posing like this, because it'll just extend it and stuff. So what I tend to do is I click it over here on the thing, so then not only can it rotate, but you can also change it, so how it goes. So this is like a sort of freestyle sort of posing when you're using this tool. So let's just bring it up like this and bring it down like this. Okay. So how should we do it? I know. Oh yeah, make sure that you also manage to control these with those skirt things, so you can change that later. So what I'm gonna be doing is, yeah. Whoops. Like this. Change the scalp. Like that. And what we do is, this is the legs that I'm gonna be using. So now we're I'm just gonna do the arms before I do the skirt thing. So over here, make sure you add the market gardener thing too. So I'm just gonna quickly add the market gardener shovel. Wait, wrong kind of shovel. Market. Ah, here it is. Okay. So now we just get the market gardener and sort of think about like the direction that the weapon's going to be. So I'm thinking it's going to be something around this. So what we do is bring this up. So I'm just going to quickly pose out. Let's see. I'm just posing it out, so I see. Okay, now I understand. So what you do is bring this down and bring this up, and just bring this up a little bit too, so then, whoops, wrong bone, and like this. Whoops, 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 totally wrong, totally wrong. Okay. Now, after all, this was just an estimation, and it's not always right, so just act it out like this, and okay, like this. Make sure the weapon or cosmetic doesn't go through the skin, because that's just supernatural. And what you do is, now for the fingers, you just make him look like he's gripping onto it. So, oops, crap, a little bit too in, and like this. Like that, like this, and like that. Sorry for the horrible Christmas song, even though it's not Christmas. I don't know why I was singing it, so don't judge me, please. Okay, so let's do it up like this, and just make the, okay, and doing this and that, and when you, yeah, this should be okay. So what I do is just lock it. So, oops, crap, I just lock it. So, oh god, what the hell? Oh yeah, that's because I don't know why I was doing on the left hand, but who cares? Okay, let's see. So sometimes you can make a lot of mistakes while doing the posing. So I'm just gonna do the posing and try and not talk as much because I want to concentrate. Okay. I guess I did on the wrong hand. I'll just do it on the other hand. Okay. Make sure you do the hold control thing because that's going to be really necessary. I'll also be covering the other type of posing, so let's just rotate this. And make him grip over here. Make sure like yeah, okay. I wish I could speed this up right now, but I don't have a video editor. I don't have Sony Vegas or anything because those cost a heck ton. But I don't want to torrent it as well because I don't want a virus, do I? Let's get this done. And over here, and over here. Okay. Now we've done this, now let's try and lock it. Now that should be fine. Yep, it's fine. It's completely normal. So let's see. I was posing up for a while, so don't think I was being not very active. I'm not as active as usual because I'm kind of tired. Just had my Easter holiday, so I'm trying to play it as simple as I can. Oh, bloody hell. Eat. And like this, and like this. Make sure it looks clenchy, sort of thing. So, whoops, crap, wrong bone. This bone and that bone. So now, okay, and over here, and so overall custom posing, if it can be easy, but it'll just be very time consuming, so that's the problem. So let's just get this over, almost done, and something like this. I'm not very good at clenching fists. Close enough. So I didn't really try very hard because I'm really tired, so I'm just trying my best. So let's see. Hop over here. Yeah, that'll do. And what we do is, wait. Let's see. So what we do is, yeah. Okay, now we fix this sleeve. Now here's the hard part of the sleeve. Over here is coat front. So that's when the yellow box comes in handy, in the yellow circle too, because it makes it so much easier, but yet so much harder because you have to rotate it. I'm sure that'll be fine for now. So make sure like the helmet is a little bit up, so then yeah, and make the soldier have a angry sort of face. Let's see, mad, and fix the eyes a bit. So now you know how to do custom posing. I'm sure this will help you out, so just try it out and give it a shot. So this is just the basic form of custom posing, so I'll see you guys later and see ya.